Welcome to my online class. Hello students, how are you? I hope you are all well by the blessing of the God, the Almighty Allah. Actually this time we are suffering from a big problem, that is Corona. And for this reason we cannot meet each other in the real class in our school. But through this virtual class we are come here to help you in your study, because the show must go on and your study must be go on. I hope my class will help you in your study. Okay, this is SHARMIN Shanta, resource teacher English, SAHAPUR Girls High School, Jahangirabad, Birganj, Rangpur. Okay, my dear students, this is class for class 8. Our subject is English second paper. Today's class topic is narration. Narration. Do you know the narration? What is narration? I want to tell you that narration is a very interesting subject, interesting topic. Okay, narration. Narration means speech. Speech. Do you know what is speech? Speech. When a speaker says something or say anything, that is called speech. If I say that I am well, that is my speech. Okay, so now you can understand that what is the speech. Okay, if I want to say in Bengali that what is the speech, speech means ukti. অর্থাৎ বক্তার বক্তব্যকে বলা হয় উক্তি বা স্পিচ. Okay. So narration means speech. Speech the main word for narration. Do you know how many types of narration there? Okay, there are two types of narration. One is direct narration and another is indirect narration. Direct narration. Do you know what is the meaning of direct? Direct means anything is actual. অর্থাৎ যা একদম সঠিক বা কোনো প্রকার ইন্টারাপ্ট ছাড়াই যা বলা হয় বা সরাসরি যেটা বলা হয় সেটাই হচ্ছে ডাইরেক্ট. অর্থাৎ ডাইরেক্ট ন্যারেশন. When we quote speaker's actual speech is called direct speech. Direct speech. When we quote speaker's actual speech is called direct speech. That means when we don't interrupt speaker's actual speech, that is called direct narration. For example, Shifa said, I am well. Shifa said, I am well. Here, Shifa is speaker and she said, I am well. Here, I am well is her speech and we write actually I am well. Exactly, I am well. That means we don't interrupt in her speech. So Shifa said, I am well is direct narration. So I think now it is clear for you what is direct narration. Okay, now I am going to the indirect narration. Indirect narration. Do you know what is indirect? What is the meaning of indirect? Yes, indirect means when we interrupt something, it is not direct. Okay, that is indirect. In Bengali, indirect mean হচ্ছে কোনো কিছুতে বাধা দেয়া. ঠিক আছে, বাধা দিয়ে কোনো কিছু করাটাই হচ্ছে ইনডাইরেক্ট, অর্থাৎ সরাসরি করতে না দেয়াটা. ওকে, আমরা যদি বলি what is indirect narration? When we quote speaker's speech after changing its form is called indirect speech. When we quote speaker's speech after changing its form is called indirect speech. That means যখন আমরা স্পিকার অর্থাৎ বক্তার বক্তব্যের মধ্যে নিজের কথা ঢুকাবো তখন সেটা হচ্ছে indirect speech. For example, Shifa said that she was well. Shifa said that she was well. Okay. We go back to the direct narration. Here Shifa said I am well. And in indirect narration, Shifa said. After that, we include that. Shifa said that. So, here we include that. After that, she. But in direct narration, that is I. We change this form. Okay, we change this form. First, I to she. Okay, she. That am. And in indirect narration, that is was. Then we change the tense. That is in present and this is in past. So here we change the form of tense. Then will and will. So here we can see that in indirect narration we change the form and we include some words. So here we see clearly that we include some word, we change the form, so we change the speech of the speaker. So when we change the speech of the speaker, that is indirect narration. So I think now you can understand what is direct narration, what is indirect narration, and what is narration. After that, I want to say that can you say now that what is direct narration, what is indirect narration, and what is narration? Okay, once again I want to say you what is narration, what is direct narration, and what is indirect narration in short. Direct narration, the narration means speech, and there are two classification of narration, that is direct and one is indirect. Direct narration, when we don't quote the speaker's speech, that is direct narration, and indirect narration, when we quote the speaker's speech, that is indirect narration. For today, that is enough. I think that is enough for you. And okay, goodbye. Thank you, students.